I always believe that nature has a way of providing us with food, medicine, and comfort, and sometimes when we don't realize we need those things. I've been out noticing different signs happening, and I'd like to share my interpretations with you. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video by Pan Society. I'm Cherie, and today I want to talk about a collective healing that I feel is either happening or will start to happen. If you pay attention to nature and you know the cycles of things, especially like during the changes in seasons, you notice that certain plants and trees will bloom in certain successions. For here in north central Alabama, I'm zone 7B, we typically see Bartlett pears and plums, those types of trees blooming first because they try to catch the early pollinators, and there's a lot that has to happen. But that's not what I noticed happening this year. And if you're a gardener or whatever, you kind of keep these things in mind because it tells you that there's something happening, the season, maybe there's drought, whatever. But for me, I noticed that red buds are blooming earlier. They bloomed first before the Bartlett pears and the plums. There's tons of violets, wild violets growing everywhere. The hawthorn tree that I have, and I've seen some out in the wild too, have started producing leaves really quickly, which is unusual. And we see thistle. There's like loads of thistles everywhere. And for me, I usually use these plants in emotional support medicine, comfort medicine. And when I normally see these things within my own environment, and this is my yard or places that I frequent, I always take that as a sign that it's for me. But I notice these things out on the roadways, on the sides of the roads, out in different parks. And so I'm taking this as a message for the collective that maybe we are getting emotional support or that we need it and we're just not paying attention. But for me, I think it's actually just coming, that we're healing as a community all together. If there's any type of plant medicine or anything like this happening in your neighborhood, or you have different plants that maybe mean the same thing for you, comment down below. Let us know what's going on. And if you don't notice anything, maybe this is that time to get into that practice of becoming more aware of seasonal changes and what plants are presenting themselves to you and what they may mean for you. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me today. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time in the next Pan video.